Hey, Queen Squad, so I'm gonna try to be pranking Damien for a breakup prank. But after that, I'm gonna tell you guys like what happened in the last video. So, basically, I was like running my own business on Instagram until like these people from my school were like being weird to me. But like one or hold on, I think I saved it. Okay, so basically, I wasn't like doing anything. And so this guy from my school was like, "Why are you trying to get people to lie to you about how you look, or two, just being a stereotypical fake person who acts as they think poorly about themselves. Either way, you're still confident, fishing, and being pretty and swallow." Okay, so being pretty and swallow. So if you could. And then he said, "So if you could stop being yourself, it would be much appreciated. This means no more. It looks so ugly, but I posted it anyway. So people would say I don't. If that was true, why should you post it? Please stop. At least that's how it is. It looks." And then like that broke my heart yesterday. And then like there was another thing, but I don't know where it went. Like I deleted it, but I think I sent it in this group chat. Hold on. Like these people send love chats to me. I have. Wait, no, that's. Okay, hold on, I'm trying to find it. Okay, I don't think I sent it in this group chat. But I did send it to Lexi. But me and Lexi chat a lot. What? She's scaring me. What? Wait, what? Me and Lexi like talk a lot, so I'm gonna try to find it real fast. Okay, so wait, okay. Okay, so finally Damon's online again. Anyway, so I'm trying to find it real fast because I sent it to Lexi. So I'm trying to look for it in me and her chat. I feel like Lexi's pranking me. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to find this, you guys. So I can read it to you. Okay, so what? What? No, I'm about to cry. Okay. Anyways, I'm trying to find it. What? Okay, okay, so I found it. So this girl from my school was like, not trying to be mean at all, but why is it that you call yourself ugly yet always post pics of yourself? It's gonna look like to others that you're fishing for compliments. Like that, like broke my heart. But like enough of this. Like, I'm just gonna get over it. He's my boyfriend. But yeah, so guys, if you ever get stuff like that, just annoy it like I'm doing. Like, I'm just gonna annoy it. Like, I'm gonna say cool. I'm just gonna act like I'm sad. Okay, cool. I'm like, cool. Okay. Okay, but what? Then what? This. I hate him. Oh yeah, by the way, me and Malia Instagram account, which is Lexi.Malia12.13, because she's 12 and I'm 13. So you can go follow us if you want. Also, let's see. Yes, you did! Oh my god. Well, I did it! Well, I did it! Didn't we get hacked? Well, I didn't delete it! Well, he said I think I did. You know what? It's on your account, maybe? Oh, wait, I don't want to reset the password. I'm gonna say I'm single, by the way. I'm single. By the way, people. By the way, people. Dude, that's hard to say. He's like, MK. I'm gonna say I'm single and waiting. I'm single and ready to mingle. I'm single and ready to mingle. Hold on. I just said I'm single and ready to mingle because I am ready to mingle. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, but yeah, just knowing like those people like the mean to you or whatever, just annoy them like I'm doing. Like they don't deserve to be in your life. Like just annoy them. Anyways, Wow, people ditching me. I'm trying to be my best looking picture. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess if I'm not talking, but yeah, I don't know what to talk about really. Oh yeah, also gonna make sure to join my Evil Queen Squad this school. I guess. Basically, I'm really bored. Okay, I think I made Damien cry. I don't know. I'm like, I'm single and ready to mingle. Okay, so I don't know what to talk about, but just like annoying the haters. Like, for example, what those kids from my school said to me. And like, I don't really want to go to school tomorrow, but I have to anyways. Cause like the kids that said that, one of them is like has the same gym here as me, which is the girl, and then the girl and the guy have Spanish with me after gym. So okay, so I don't know what to talk about. So yeah, just annoy them. Like, don't let them get to you like I did. Cause like they might like make you upset and all, but they can't change who you are. Like, you know what I mean, guys? Okay, I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. So, yeah, bye. And basically, okay, you know what? Basically, I'm not like the video. I might be picking Damien later, but I don't know. So yeah, sorry. And yeah, bye. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Evil Queen Squad. And I'll see you guys in Monday video. Actually, it's today's Sunday. Am I only supposed to like? Okay, you know what? Over the summer, I post a lot more, you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. My summer ends in like 5 days, so yeah, cause I have a half day on Friday anyway. So bye, guys, and adios.